Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change your username in the Netflix app. So let's jump right in. Open the Netflix app on your smart device and make sure you're signed into your account. By opening the Netflix application on the home page in the lower right corner of the screen, you can see your profile where it says My Netflix and then click on it. Then, on the next page in the upper right corner of the screen, look for 3 lines and click on them. By clicking on the 3 lines, a small window will open at the bottom of the screen with the offered options, where you will look for the Manage Profiles option and click on it. The application will open the next window where you will click on your profile, and then on the next page in the field where your current profile name is, you will click and insert your new name. After you enter a new username, the application will update the profile. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily change your Netflix username and give your profile a new identity. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.